Now here is question 10 from paper 1. Again, it's non-calculator. And what they're wanting to do is they've got a cookie mix and they're basically just wanting to work out how much flour's in the mix. Now they've given you these fractions and they've all got different denominators. So the first thing you're wanting to do is actually think of a common denominator for them all. Okay, so think of the 6 times table, the 3 times table and the 4 times table. Is there any number that they all have in common? Now, it might just jump out to you, or you could think of, well, let's just do that. That goes 6, doesn't it? Goes 12, goes 20, goes 18, 24, etc. Okay, that one goes 3, that's then goes 6, well, we've got 6 in common, that then goes 9, that goes 12, well, we've got 12 in common there, we've got 4, we've got 8, we've got 12, there you go, so you've got 12 here, right, so 12 is common, all these numbers go into 12. So what we just then have to do is convert these fractions into twelfths. Okay, so 1/6, to convert that into twelfths, well, to get from 6 to 12 you times that by 2, so we're going to times the top by 2 as well. Okay, so 2 times 6 is 12, 2 times 1 is 2. Okay, so 2 over 12 is the same as a 6. To get the 3 to a 12 times the bottom by 4, so what we do to the bottom we have to do to the top, so we're going to times the top by 4, and that is 4 twelfths. And to get a quarter into 12, so to go from 4 to 12, times that by 3. If you times the bottom by 3, we need to times the top by a 3. So what we've now got is all these, the butter, sugar and chocolate chips, now is a fraction with 12 being the denominator. So what we can do is we can add all these up together. Okay, so we're going to add these together. Now you get your first mark for converting them into 12, something with a common denominator. We then can add these together. Okay, so 2 twelfths plus 4 twelfths plus 3 twelfths, and that leaves us 2 plus 4, that's 6, plus 3 is 9. 9 twelfths is the first 3 lots of ingredients. Now we need to, the rest is made up of mixture. Now the whole ingredients is 12 twelfths, right? So the whole ingredients is 12 twelfths. So we need to think of what do we need to get up to 12th. Okay, so 3 twelfths is what's missing. Okay, if you added the 3 twelfths to the 9 twelfths, that would give you your 12 twelfths, which is the whole ingredients. So we've got 3 twelfths is the flour. And that's your mark. So the first mark is to convert it into a fraction with a common denominator. The second mark is to then add these up, just to tell you how big of a fraction do we have the first 3 ingredients, and then you want to try and get it up to the whole amount, so that's where 3 twelfths is going to be flour. And that's your answer to question 10.